Hi guys, my name is Sally Rafiat. Welcome to another TED Talk with Rafiat. And on today's topic, we'll be talking about haram jobs in Islam. What do we mean by haram jobs? Haram jobs are those jobs that are not lawful, that are forbidden, that are not good for you as a normal person to do in Islam. So let's get into it. Number one, we have working in a company that accepts riba. And what do we understand by riba? Riba simply means to increase something or to exceed something's limit. What does this mean? And it is commonly used in reference to unequal exchanges or charges after borrowing. Like now, if you borrow money from bank and then instead of them to collect particular amount you borrowed, you are going to increase it. Just that the banks are greedy. If you work in this kind of companies that collect riba, it is haram. Riba companies like insurance company, riba company like banks, company that gives you financial services like Lapo that loan money to people. Two, working in an alcoholic company or a gambling company. It is haram to even take alcohol in Islam. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that anybody who drinks alcohol, sell it, or who participated in the production of alcohol will be punished. In as much as you are not drinking the alcohol, but you participated in the process of taking it out, giving it to people, that means you are getting the punishment of the person that took the alcohol in the first place. So it will not be nice if you are not drinking the alcohol, but you are getting the same punishment with the person that is taking the alcohol. So working in that kind of company is very, very bad. Gambling company too. Gambling, what does gambling do to people? Gambling generally make people go broke. So if you work in that kind of places, gambling in Islam is haram naturally. But if you work in a company like a casino, if you work in a casino where gambling is like top notch, is at the peak, it is haram. You cannot work in that kind of place. And if you are a waiter in a restaurant that you serve alcohol to people, you're already participating in the aspect of distributing alcohol, which means you are cancelled. You cannot work in that kind of place. Number three, working in a movie, music, production company that deals with haram content. Some like pornography, content that has to do with backbiting other people, content that has to do with making fun of other people. Those are haram content. Number four, working in a company where they sell pork. Pork in Islam is haram. Wash your hand away from anything that is pork. Pork in Islam is haram. And now you now working in that kind of company is very, very bad and injurious to your qiyam. Injurious to your what? To your qiyam. Please let's stop doing it. Desist from it and Allah is going to bless us. But there are other jobs you can do. Something like trading, entrepreneur. The Prophet ﷺ even values trading more than any other jobs. Even his first wife, Khadija, Anna, enjoys trading more than any other jobs. Another job you can do is agriculture. This improves in the lifestyle of people and the society in general because through agriculture we get food, we get water, we get anything that can sustain the life of human beings. Another job you can do is skills. Having skills like tailoring, carpentry, smitchery, tailoring in Islamic fashion. Not tailoring in fashion that is going to make the whole body show. No, video editing, halal content, not haram content. Another one is teaching, in as much that you are passing knowledge to people, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that He is one of us who learns the Quran and teaches it. So far you are passing knowledge. It might not be only Quran, it might be any other thing. So far you are passing knowledge to people. You are teaching people what they do not know. You are passing knowledge to people. And it is good to always pass knowledge in Islam. In your Konkinja Wadi, you have to like make your knowledge evolve. People have to understand it. No matter the knowledge, no matter what you are teaching, halal. If it is halal, it's halal. No matter what you are teaching, you are good. Another job you can venture in is Islamic law. These people are those people that bring law, rules, and regulation to the society that make everything everywhere calm, everywhere good. So if you are into Islamic law, you are also good to go. Another place you can work is an Islamic bank where they do not deal with riba. Islamic bank that did not deal with riba. And you can also work in an halal restaurant. Halal restaurants where they sell like chicken. That does not allow you getting yourself into an haram situation. So I think that is the end of today's topic on the kind of jobs that we as a Muslim can do. And I feel we've gotten one or two things from it. And I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase us in knowledge. And I pray, as always, may we enter Al-Jannah to Firdaus. May Allah make us among those who is going to enter Al-Jannah to Firdaus. I still remain your humble self, Sally Rafiat Adeshewa. See you guys. Bye.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق